Exercise 14.2, question number 1. Some nets are given below. Trace them and paste them on the thick paper. Try to make 3D shapes by suitable folding them and gluing together. Match the net with its 3D shape. So here we are going to see shapes here. Nets are there and 3D shapes are there, and we are going to match it with nets and 3D shapes here. So here first shape, it is matching with cylinder here. So here this is first figure. Suppose it is matching with, suppose it is, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4 suppose, and this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. And when you are going to see first figure, it is matching with C here. So here 1 is matching with C here. Now second figure, when you are going to see, it is like square box. When you fold it, it looks like a cube here. So 2 is matching with D here. So 2 is matching with D here. Third figure, when you see triangle shapes, so when you fold here, it looks like pyramid here. So pyramid shape is A here. So 3 is matching with A here. Fourth one, when you see, it looks like cylinder. So when you fold this part and cover up this and this, it looks like cylinder. So fourth figure is matching with figure B here. So this is the matching point, and once you cut this and paste it, you get the following shapes in 3D form here. Question number 2. 3 nets for each shape are given here. Match the net with its 3D shape. So here a cuboid shape is given here, and we are going to see the 3 figures. Which figure will match this figure? So when you are going to see first figure, when you are going to fold here, we are missing the bottom part. So when you see the second figure, when you fold this and this and the top and bottom, we will be missing the top part. So third figure, when you see, we close here this, and when you close this part, we get this shape here. So 1 is matching with the C here. So this first figure is matching with the figure C here. Second figure, when you are going to see, so this is a cylinder shape. When you are going to see first figure, when you close this part and close up and down, it will match and it looks like cylinder. So when you are going to close left and right, it won't look like a cylinder because top and bottom are missing. When you fold here left and right or top and bottom, it won't look like cylinder here. So the matching point figure will be A here. So second, the figure is matching with the figure A here. Question number 3. A die is a cube with the dots on each face. The opposite faces of a die always have a total of 7 dots on them. Here are 2 nets to make die. Insert the suitable number of dots in blanks. So here the figures are there here, where we see the numbers dots. So we are going to estimate the rest of the box. So here 6, 5, 4 is there. So here when you are going to estimate, here 3 will come, here 2 will come, here 1 will come. So here 3, here 2, here 1 will come. So when you are going to see dots here in the shape of dots, so this will be 3 dots and this will be 2 dots and this will be 1 dot. Now second, when you are going to see here 1 here 2, here 3, and here left side it will be 4 and 5, bottom will be 6 here. So here 4, here 5, and here 6 will be there. So here 4 means 4 dots you are going to see. Here 4, 5 means here 5 dots, and here 6, 6. So this will be the suitable number of dots.